Hello. So if you're looking for dupattas, blouses, chaniya cholis, if you're looking for some nice festive jewelry, if you're looking for kids collection, and of course if you're looking for Rakhis, then this is the exhibition to come to. We've come to Reflection and Reflection 2.0 અને અહીંયા total 6 brands આવી છે. બહુ જ vast collection લઈને આવી છે અહીંયા, and they have lots of options to choose from. બહુ જ સુંદર કલેક્શન છે એમની પાસે ખાલી 2 દિવસ માટે, today and tomorrow, that is 17th and 18th of July. And આ સત્યાગ્રહ છાવણી પાસે છે. This is Reflection and Reflection 2.0. collection જોવું હોય તો swipe left.
Hello, myself Raju Patel. We go by the brand name by Raju Patel, and here we are here today with Rakhi collection basically. And these are the pearl Rakhis. These are the Rakhis in American diamond. This is our main collection, which is the twist and tassel and Jartar Rakhis basically. These are the lombas. And these are the Rakhis basically.
Okay.
Yeah, we have Rakhis for kids as well. And we have a few hampers as well. We can focus on.
Okay, so they have some stone based Rakhis like these. તમને કઈ ટ્રેડિશનલ જોઈતો હોય તો એમાં ઓપ્શન્સ અવેલેબલ છે, એન્ડ દે હેવ કિડ્સ રાખીઝ એઝ વેલ. અને ઓફકોર્સ રાખીઝની જોડે હેમ્પર્સ પણ અવેલેબલ છે, સો યુ કેન ગેટ યોર હેમ્પર કસ્ટમાઇઝડ ઓવર હિયર. એન્ડ દે હેવ સમ હોમ ડેકોર આઇટમ્સ, સમ વોલ હેંગિંગ્સ અવેલેબલ છે એમની પાસે લાઈક ધીઝ. ઓકે, એન્ડ ઓફકોર્સ રાખીમાં બહુ જ બધું કલેક્શન છે એમની પાસે.
Hi, my brand name is Zen Sparrow. We have collection of Navratri. This kind of long blouses.
Okay.
Kaji chaniyas. We have crush chaniyas. We have this kind of blouses. અમે customize भी કરીએ છે.
So blouses with sleeves, sleeveless blouses જોઈતા હોય.
Spaghetti blouses, alternate blouses. We have 500 plus blouses.
Okay.
We have all the size available. We have some silk blouses, cotton blouses.
Okay.
We have some Godda Patti blouses. We have plus sizes blouses.
Okay.
We have this kind of Kachhi pattern blouses. We have this kind of skirts.
Ombre માં options
Ombre
available છે,
options
solid
છે.
colors માં options
બધા
છે,
colours available છે.
and of course all of
Pattern
these can be customized
Yes,
as well.
Gaji. See this blue color. We have some white
Okay.
collections.
White.
We have cotton 40-meter flare. And we
Coming
have
to
all the
dupattas.
dupattas. We have vintage Kachhi.
Okay.
We have all vintage. We have bandhani. We have patchwork dupatta.
And
we have
solid colours
whites. We
as
have
well.
plains. We have tissues.
Hi, my brand name is Radiant Jewel and we are into German silver jewelry. So અમારી પાસે નાના નાના ચોકર્સ છે, પછી સ્ટોન વાળા ચોકર્સ છે.
They have some dainty pieces that young girls can also wear.
Yeah.
એમની પાસે heavy pieces માં પણ options available
ઓપ્શન્સ
છે.
છે, અફઘાનીમાં પણ ઓપ્શન્સ છે. આ સ્મોલ ચોકર્સ છે, આ પણ છે. આ યુનિક પીસીસ પણ છે અમુક, અને લોંગમાં પણ છે સેટ્સ ઘણા બધા.
Okay, long માં પણ ઘણા બધા
Yes,
options
these are also heavy pieces, few pieces. અને ઇયરિંગ્સમાં હ્યુજ ઓપ્શન્સ છે અમારી પાસે. નાની મોટી ઓલ રેન્જની ઇયરિંગ્સ છે. ઇટ સ્ટાર્ટ્સ ફ્રોમ 250. અને બેંગલ્સમાં પણ ઓપ્શન્સ છે અમારી પાસે. Then we have long earrings, long jhumkas also.
and anti-damage પણ છે. They have rings as well.
Yes.
Hi, I'm Bhavisha from Label Mahra. So this year's collection we have very few designer wear dresses. Let me show you the concept.
So they have chaniya cholis. Okay.
Then this is a viral lifestyle from City Shore.
Okay.
Then lot of color options in that, like this in a white.
Whites માં પણ options છે.
Then in the pastels we have.
Okay. Mirror work જોડે
different,
pastel shades.
Yes. Then if you want in the pastel or in a traditional.
Okay.
So this one is in the monochrome. This is the mix and match. And there are a lot of other options in the Kachhi Dhadra. This is 15 meters high.
And lots of blouses available as well. Okay.
Blouses are there.
So long blouses share something with sleeves, something sleeveless.
Yeah.
If you're looking for
And the Kachhi options also.
and
And these are our best sellers.
Hi, we are from Adornia Jewelry and we have this whole Navratri collection, German silver as well as in pure silver.
okay, German silver and a pure silver માં એમની પાસે collection છે. They have earring options, એમની પાસે jewelry sets છે, they have chokers, they have long pieces as well. બહુ જ બધી options છે when it comes to earrings. They have options in kadas and bangles as well.
And we have this festive collection also.
Okay.
So you will get everything which is needed for your festive.
So festive collection પણ છે એમની પાસે.
We have these bracelets,
Okay.
earrings in pure silver sets.
Yes, these are all pure silver sets.
We have different malas also.
બહુ જ બધા options છે. You can see options are available over here as well. Okay. So this is brand Bows and Buttons and એમની પાસે kids wear collection છે. They have options in men's wear, like boys wear, sorry. Like these, if you're looking for something in ethnic wear, તો કોટી સાથે options available છે. They have lots of options when it comes to girls as well. એમના clothes ni sizes start from 6 months to 7 years of age, and of course these can be customized. Lots of options when it comes to casual wear dresses like these. And they have a lot of accessory options as well, like ones over here. Thodi hair accessories bhi hai. If you are looking for something in ethnic wear, so ema pan options available hai with a dupatta. Okay, again lots of options to choose from. Chaniya choli ma pan options available hai. You can see ghagras like these. So, kids wear માટે બહુ જ બધા options available છે. This brand is called Bows and Buttons.